everyone! Let's start to learn this combination. We start in this position and our arms go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our head also 1. So, and after this, we continue with figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just side, front, front, side. And after this, we do this movement with arms and with head. 1, breathe in and breathe out. And continue with turn, 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 and with music accent, like ting, we do boom, and I am on the lever, and after this I do accent and continue with tutu shimmy. And we do 1, 2, 3, chest up, but our tutu shimmy all the time, without pause. 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, side, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And after this, we do circle, circle with one hip, double circle. 1, 2, and shimmy. Shimmy, 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 change. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I change these sides, I do one accent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after we do in, 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 in. And we do 3 times, like right side. 1 and shimmy, 2, 3, and turn. And come back, left side, but with up and down, circle, and do shimmy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and shimmy all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this, we do round and continue with camel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, and accent. Okay? And do 1. If you want, you can add shoulder, like 1, or just 1. And again, continue with right. 1, 2, just one time, camel. And we do half of circle and continue with chassé. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small jump. We stay on left leg and do back bend. 1 and come back.